In the 28th of November, 2025, two internationally sanctioned tankers, Kairos and Virat, caught fire in the Black Sea just a few dozen nautical miles from the Turkish coastline. All crew members are safe. Ukraine has claimed responsibility, stating the ships were hit by Ukrainian naval drones. Turkish authorities reported that both vessels were part of Russia's so-called Shadow Fleet, a network of aging tankers used to bypass sanctions imposed on Russian oil exports. The incidents triggered a major rescue operation near the Bosphorus Strait. The first tanker, Kairos, sailing under the flag of Gambia, exploded and caught fire roughly 28 nautical miles off the coast of Kokili while traveling empty from Egypt toward the Russian port of Novorossiysk, according to Turkey's Ministry of Transport. Shortly afterward, a second tanker, Virat, was reported hit in another area of the Black Sea, about 35 nautical miles from the Turkish shore. Turkish maritime authorities initially stated that the first incident appeared to be caused by an external impact, without providing further details on the nature of the strike. Early uncertainty about the cause, whether a naval mine or a deliberate attack, ended when Ukraine officially claimed responsibility, stating that both tankers were targeted by Ukrainian sea drones. Pending further verification, maritime agencies have raised the alert level and are closely monitoring the situation to prevent additional incidents and ensure safe navigation near the Bosphorus, one of the world's most strategic maritime choke points. The crews of both tankers were successfully rescued by the Turkish Coast Guard and emergency units. 25 people aboard the Kairos and 20 aboard the Virat. Both vessels appear on international sanctions lists following Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine and are identified as part of Moscow's Shadow Fleet, a network used to secretly move Russian oil despite global restrictions. According to the Open Sanctions database, the United States sanctioned the Virat in January of this year, followed by the European Union, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and Canada. The Kairos was sanctioned by the EU in July, and subsequently by the UK and Switzerland. Russia's shadow tanker fleet continues to generate billions in revenue for the Kremlin by bypassing sanctions, hiding its operations under third country flags, and using complex ownership schemes. These ships also pose serious environmental risks. Open Sanctions reports. The Virat, built in 2018, previously sailed under the flags of Barbados, Comoros, Liberia, and Panama. The Kairos, built in 2002, has flown Panamanian, Greek, and Liberian flags. The 28th of November, 2025, incidents have raised significant concern about environmental damage and navigational safety in the Black Sea, an already high-risk area due to years of war and the presence of sea mines dating back to both current and older conflicts.